Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna share with you today. I went to waitrose, so I'm gonna share with you some amazing offers they have. As you can see here, I just shared with you a few items that they have there in the offers. As you can see here, they have tunas, the John West brand for £4, and here they have this hens beans as well. It's pack of 3 for £1.45, 200 grams. And the bigger ones are like £1 each. They have the oil one and the tuna, as I said, the oil one and the spring water. Really good offers around the store in Waitrose at the moment. Tomatoes here. These big massive bags of tea, 240 tea bags for £3.50. Anyway, they have a lot of offer around. I just went around the shop to show you some of the offers, but there is a lot of other things around. As you can see, I'm trying to get you the prices close up so you can see if you are interested in any of things. Those are really good actually. It's £1 each. So they have like oats and almonds. It's really good. Softness, washing powders, there's a lot of stuff, shampoos, conditioners, lots of offers around. I actually noticed lately that in my opinion, that Waitrose is doing more offers than Tesco at the moment actually, because when I go to Tesco, it's like hardly anything in the offer and everything is so expensive. So since January, because I go a lot to Waitrose to get my cat's food from there, so and I've been noticing since the beginning of January is they've been bringing a lot of good offers. So it's worth to go to your local Waitrose, check it out. If you are, maybe you can find something cheaper in there. Here Head and Shoulders is £3.75 instead of £5 each. This shampoo as well is an offer. Pantene is like half price, so it's £2.50. It used to be £5 each. So if you like Pantene as well, as I said, there's a lot of offers. In my opinion, actually, I think that is better than the other supermarkets at the moment, because it used to be really expensive, but it's changing now. So the one I went to is the one in Edgewood Road, so you should check like your local Waitrose. This is Nescafe, so £5.50. This is the big one, the big bottle, and they also have this brand as well here. That one is £4.50. So those are like the big ones. This one is decaf, £4.50. The biscuit as well, this biscuit digestive is like two inside for £2.25. So 2 packs of biscuits. So it comes to £1 £1.10 something each. And they have the dark chocolate one and the normal one. This biscuit is really nice as well. So it's cheap, it's £1.25 as well. So this is really delicious biscuit. My children love that biscuit. And they have now it's white chocolate as well. They wasn't before, but they have white chocolate as well. And in the cereal as well, they have offers there as well. Can you see? £1.50 instead of £2.95, and those are all good brands. This is £1.75 instead of £2.65. So yeah, if you are interested, you can. I mean, there is a lot of other offers as I said, but I didn't put the whole thing. Just showed you few of them. The crisp, I can't find anywhere in Tesco. Like they hardly put anything on offers anymore. I mean, especially the ones next to me, there is hardly anything. So here there is a lot of 2 for £3, or some of them are £1.50. yeah, so there is a lot for two packs for £3. So yeah, so hope you like the video. If you like videos like this, let me know. I will share them with you. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye.